Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best rotary hammer drill that you should buy. Let's do started. Number 1. Skill 20 volts SDS plus Rotary Hammer Drill. Rotary Hammer Drill set comes with everything you need to get started, including a power core 22, 0Ah lithium battery and 20 volts charger. Powerful design, hammers through the toughest materials like concrete and masonry. Longer runtime and battery life. The Power Core 20 lithium battery has an innovative temperature management system to keep battery cool and powering on through your project. Number 2. 20 volts 1-inch SDS plus Rotary Hammer Drill. Brushless motor and SDS plus system, cords are messing with you. You hardly can beat the versatility of this cordless model. Chemo cordless hammer drill provides the desired impact energy by using air pressure created from a crankshaft and piston assembly. Brushless is ideal for the most cumbersome work with higher productivity, prolonged runtime, and less heat. Thanks to the one-touch sliding SDS Plus system, changing bits is a snap without loss of grip or energy transfer. Proudly present Chemo Li-ion technology. For over 25 years, Chemo has made great progress in 1000 charging cycle tests that guarantees each Chemo battery is more powerful, and lives longer than others. Number 3. Skill Core 20 brushless 20 volts rotary hammer. Longer runtime and battery life. Industry-leading Core 20 lithium battery technology wraps each cell with cooling material to keep the battery powering on for 25% longer runtime and 2x battery life. Charges in 5 minutes. Automatic per-jump charges the battery in just 5 minutes, or 100% battery in 60 minutes. Number 4. Albin 1/4-inch SDS plus Rotary Hammer Drill. Powerful motor, Albin electric rotary hammer drill is equipped with 13 amp. 1,500 watts, motor that delivers powerful impact energy to complete heavy-duty projects on concrete, masonry and metal. Ergonomic design, Albin Roto Hammer Drill adopt ergonomic design with rubber and 360-degree adjust handle provides a comfortable use feeling. SDS Plus Hammer Drill can guarantee the user's safety and well-designed heat dissipation motor and double anti-dust bottom structure can extend the hammer's use life. Albin Hammer Drill set include 3 pieces drill bits. Number 5. Handive Heavy Duty Rotary Hammer Drill. Powerful motor and adjustable speed, the heat-resistant copper wire motor with 12.5A, 6J impact energy, 4300 BPM could provide long working time without burning the machine. 6 adjustable speed, 0900 RPM, could meet different work needs, such as concrete, metal, brick, stone and masonry. Handive Rotary Hammer Drill helps you to make an efficient life. Safe and ergonomic design, safety clutch protection design could provide security if bit jams or high torque force. The integrated anti-vibration system and soft grip could decrease the vibration and fatigue. Anti-dust bottom structure and heat dissipation design could extend the rotary hammer's use life.
Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.